Today we have the 2018 Volvo XC60. This vehicle has done just over 55,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have voice control. On the right we have voice control, and on the left we have cruise control. Moving on to our screen, on our first page we can access our applications. This includes Apple CarPlay, driver performance and our download center. On the second page we have our key features, navigation, radio and smartphone integration. On the final page we have our car functions. This is where we can find things such as lane keeping aid, road sign information and connected safety. If we press here we can access our climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button we can switch between eco for efficient drive, comfort for everyday use, off-road for rough road, dynamic for high performance and individual for your personal driving preferences. As we go into the back of the vehicle we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.